In this video, I want to share with you some low competition back to school niches that not too many people are thinking about for Merch by Amazon. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on Merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. If you like this kind of content and you get any value out of this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I share with you those low competition back to school niches, just want to do a quick sales update. So it is Monday, May 20th, 4:54 p.m. This is my second video that I'm making of the day, and I'm at 61 sales, $98 in royalties, going to put me at 1,369 sales and over $2,000 for the month. If you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both Merch by Amazon and Etsy, link is in the description. I also post like gym pics, entrepreneur pics, lifestyle pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 18 years. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the content of the video. So the niches I want to share with you are going to be low competition back to school niches. And one of the biggest back to school niche, and it's every year, we see this every year, and it's going to be class of whatever the senior year is. So for this year, it's going to be class of 25. We see it sell every year. And it's a good niche, but the only problem with that is that it can be kind of competitive. And one of the things I tried to preach on this channel is to be different. When everyone's zigging, you want to zag. You want to try and think like outside of the box. So how can we do something similar, but kind of outside of the box? Regarding that niche, class of 2025, and what we can do is we can focus on the other years. So instead of like senior, we can focus on class of 2026 junior, class of 2027 sophomore, class of 2028 freshman. All right, so that's what I want to share with you today. So like when we go to Merch right here, or I'm sorry, Merch Informer, and we type in class of 2028, we're going to see there's only 791 results. If we go to class of 2027, 866 results, so very low, under 1,000. Now it does start to get higher, like when we go to class of 2026, we're going to see 1,500 results, and then here, class of 2025, we're going to see there's all over 9,000 results already. All right, so what I would recommend is that you focus on these niches, especially like freshman, class of 2028, and sophomore, class of 2027. And I actually started getting some sales in these niches. That's what motivated me or inspired me to make this video. That's how I got the idea. So let's just go ahead and take a look at some of these designs and give you guys some tips on how you can design for this niche. So the majority of these niches are basically just a lot of text design, so it's pretty easy. The only type of clip art you really need is kind of like a graduation hat that you can put on like the corner. So like when we look at these ones, you know, class of 2028, it's just like different variations of how you can say class of 2028. You can also use, instead of class of, you just put senior. That's another thing that I've done. But we can see that these are selling and good BSRs. Are these in the... Okay, so this one right here is not in the Climate Pledge Friendly. It's sitting at 307. This one is in the Climate Pledge Friendly category. So one thing that you're going to notice that's very important with this niche is the font. And I actually went to Creative Fabrica here. And what you want is you want to get a font like this right here. That's like a Jersey font or a college font. The way I got here is I just went to Creative Fabrica, fonts, and then clicked on slab serif fonts. So like ones that would work is something like this. Basically, you just want to have like that line that kind of goes around the actual letter. This one can kind of work too. It doesn't have the outline, but it still has that kind of style. Here's another one. This one could work as well. Me personally, I like just black, but this is actually a really good font right here. And this one, like I just showed you right here. So the font is very important. You want to get something like this, and we'll see like in the best sellers, they're using that kind of font where they have the letter, the number or the letter, and then they have the outline around it. All right, now you can even go to Creative Fabrica and just get some get some designs that you could use for your print-on-demand business, like Merch by Amazon, even Redbubble. So I just typed in class of 2028 right here, and we're going to see like this one looks pretty good, that one looks pretty good, this one as well. This is probably the best one right here. And they all come with the print-on-demand special license, which means you are allowed to use them for like Merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand websites. If you want to sign up for Creative Fabrica, I do have an affiliate link in the description. It is an affiliate link, so I do get a kickback if you guys do decide to sign up. But Creative Fabrica is a great place to get like fonts, clip art, designs, things like that. And then if we just come right here and we go to 2027, let me try that again. we're going to see we have some more designs. They're kind of the same style, probably from the same designer, but I'm just showing you this on where you can get designs if you don't really know how to design. You can also use Ideogram as well, but this is just pretty easy because all you have to do is just basically just download it and upload it. And again, really important that you focus on the font. That is probably going to be the most important, because if you use like a font that just doesn't make sense, like this one right here, it's probably not going to sell. One of the most important things is that you study these designs and look for like patterns, look for similarities, and then basically just take note of that and try and do something similar, emulate it, make it better. Another thing that you also see, like I said, is these graduations hat. Those can help as well. But so that is 2028, and then 2027 is basically the same thing. Retro flag. But look how like easy that is to design right there. It's sitting at 129 in the Climate Pledge Friendly. Already got 3 reviews. So, and the back to school niche is a huge niche. It's going to start to kick off here probably in a couple months. Usually starts to take off like right around like August when everybody's going back to school. But a really good niche to be in, and we see this every year on Merch by Amazon, especially the senior one. But those are the niches, or the low competition niches I want to share with you today, is Class of 2028 and Class of 2027. And then if you want to learn how I get sales like this right here on a daily basis, I have a couple resources I want to share with you. So I'm now offering memberships on my YouTube channel. So you just click this join button right here, and let me just pause the video so it doesn't make noise. And I'm offering 3 tiers. One is bronze, silver, and gold. Now the bronze is going to get you like just loyalty badges, priority reply to comments. It's basically just a way to support the free content on YouTube. But the real value is going to be in the silver and the gold tiers. So the silver is going to get you 4 videos a month, or 1 video a week. It comes out every Monday at 6 a.m. Central Time. And basically that video is going to be 5 to 10 low competition evergreen niches. And each one of those niches is going to come with a prompt that you can use for Ideogram. And then you're also going to get a daily market update. So if I just show you what that looks like. So if you go to, when you become a member and you go to my channel, you click on community or membership. Each day I put out a market update, basically just talking about a trending niche that I had found the day before. So like for example, yesterday I talked about the beach blonde bad built butch body, the one about Marjorie Green Taylor. This has actually been trademarked now, but it's pending, so it takes like 6 months to a year for it to go live, so we're still safe there. Probably won't be trending in 6 months anyway, so we can take advantage of the sales. But basically I just put out these market updates talking about a trending niche. Like, let's see, the one from the day before was Feral Granny Summer, and then I also offer a prompt for it, and then I also offer a keyword example or a listing example. So this is just one of the other things that you get along with the videos. So you get the 4 videos a month, and you also get a daily market update just talking about any trending niche, and that is what the silver package gets you. And then if you decide to go with the gold, you're going to get everything in the silver, but then you're also going to get once a month a word file at the beginning of each month of 100 prompts for niches that will be trending the following month. So today is, I believe, May 20th. So if you were to become a gold member today, on June 1st, you would get a word file of 100 prompts for niches that will be trending in July. That will give you a month amount of times to basically create the designs, upload them, and then be ready to get sales. All right, so if you're interested in those, the silver is only $7 and the gold is only $10. I'm in Mexico, so that's why it says 99 here. That's not dollars, that's Mexican pesos. But it's just $7 for the silver, only 10 for the gold. And then if this join button is not available in your country, I also offer the exact same thing for the exact same price on Patreon. All right, so you can just click on that link that you just saw me click on right there, take you to this page, and you can sign up that way. And it should say, yeah, so $7 a month, and then gold $10 a month. Again, exact same thing for the exact same price. And then if you're a beginner and you're struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon, like if you're stuck in tier 10, making under $100 a month, I have a really good beginner's course for Merch by Amazon. The link is in the description. It's the first link, or third link. Actually, which one is it? Shoot, I got lost here. Where'd it go? Right here, yeah. So it's this one that says merch course. It will take you to this Gumroad page. It's only 19 bucks. Really good for beginners or for people that are struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon. And then if you're looking for freebies, you can just click on my name right here, Michael Vandervoort, and you'll see all the other things I offer on Gumroad. Like I offer some Etsy courses, a Redbubble course, but then I have some freebies right here. So 10 free ideogram prompts for Father's Day, 50 free prompts for trending June niches, and I just put out these 7 free prompts for trending Redbubble niches. So those are just some freebies that I offer. And then if you just want to support the channel or get free content from me on a regular basis, you can just subscribe. It's free. I put out videos on a regular basis. About 3 to 4 videos a week, just talking about like trending niches, evergreen niches, prompts, anything to do with like print on demand, basically. All right. So that is going to be the video for today. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Adios.